o'clock in the morning. We had to get up early because they had a surprise for me. And now I have a surprise for him. He hasn't seen my hair. You want to take this out? Babe. No, this is a cornrow. This is a cornrow. This is a cornrow. These two are cornrows.
How long did that take you?
3 hours.
Where was I?
At work. Look! Yes!
You know, you gotta put your thing back on so it doesn't go in the shower.
Yeah, I just wanted you to see it.
Oh.
Babe got me this cake and a cookie cake for our anniversary. It's carrot, right? Because that's my favorite. Alright, so we are ready to go. Got everything packed up. Got our suitcase, our present bag, and our other bag for our event tomorrow. We just ran our errands, and I'm put this thing on my head to hold my hair down for a little bit. Yeah, we just ran our errands, and now we're just waiting on our ride to take us to downtown. We are at this beautiful hotel thanks to my manager. Ooh, it's so beautiful. We'll have to give you a tour when we come back later. We're about to go eat now at room 111, the sushi spot. So I'll give you a tour later. Good afternoon, everyone. We are about to go walk around for a little bit before our event that I have planned. Our surprise event. We had breakfast this morning. It was the bomb. My supervisor hooked us up. So we're walking around uptown. Alright, are we going to... I guess it's a marathon. They're in their underwear.
Probably came out here because of that.
That's what I was thinking. Getting on our destination. Funny bus.
This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. All right, now, if you got a drink in your hand, raise it up. Okay, so we're gonna party on this bus. I like this. All right, here we go. I got some do's and don'ts for the funny bus. I'll go ahead and play those, and we'll get going. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, yeah. All right, the uptown cabaret right over here on the left side.
So the tour was so good, you guys. Definitely have to check it out if you're in the area. If you're in the area, definitely check out the Funny Bus.
JJ is hilarious.
He is.
And
I had to do a outfit change.
We're having a wet t-shirt contest.
And
I won.
And we're going through the concierge. We're going to the concierge.
Concierge.
I wish I had free chapstick down there. Because I need some. We have the beautiful uptown Charlotte at night. It is amazing. It's so beautiful. Good morning. It's our last day in uptown. We are going
Down the elevator
to get breakfast right now. And then we'll come back up, let our food digest, and work out. That's why I got my workout outfit on.
You know who the Foo Fighters are?
And they're just cute. I know who they are. They're a band. Everyone, I almost forgot the room tour. So here's the door. You walk in. You got the bathroom. Don't mind all the towels on the floor because we're leaving. You got the beautiful body mirror. Beautiful shower. Toilet. You got the coat closet. Almost forgot my coat. Beautiful mirror. Beautiful me. Got my bedside table, king size bed, bench, garbage, coffee maker, glasses, refrigerator. Let me fix it back the way it was. There we go. We got Alexa. That's so cool. Bae's bedside table. Bae. And then our window, and our tables, and our couch. And there you go. It was amazing. It was fun. What'd you think, Bae? Alright, bye you guys. Saying goodbye to our beautiful concierge, where we get all the free food and coffee. My favorite was a chai latte vanilla. So good. Goodbye, Uptown. It's not like we live right up the street or anything. So beautiful. You were good to us. The Queen City.
Even though she's never been here.
Never.